Hello students, I am Snehal from KLE Society's BCA College, Nippon. So in the previous session we focused a little bit concept on the what is the stub and what is the driver. Now again we are going to discuss on this same point for the stubs and drivers. So the content which we are going to discuss with this session is nothing but the stubs and drivers. So consider the difference between the stubs and drivers in a explanative manner. So stub. Okay, the stub, it is called by the module under the test. Now see why it is called as a module under the test. Module under the test. Now consider that we are having an application. Now that application is having two modules, that is nothing but the module A and the module B. Now when we are trying to consider that, if for example consider that our module A is dependent on the module B. Okay, now we are having an application. That application is having two modules, that is nothing but the module A and the module B. Now and what we are going to say that our module A is dependent on the module B. Now when we are going to say that our module A is dependent on the module B, now when an application development process is going to be started out, at that time what we are going to say that we are going to say that the module A, that development process is going to be just finished with the development of the module A, and before finishing the development process of the module B, as we are the tester, we are getting the requirement to test the module A. Then what will be get happen? To overcome from such a type of a problem, we are going to consider the module B as a stub over here, and that module is considered as a module under the test. Why? Because the stub is the module. Okay, it is called by the module under the test. Why? Because we want to develop we want to test the module A, but that module A is basically dependent on the module B, where that the development process of the module B is not still completed process. Why? Because it is an undergoing process. So we can say that the module B and module A both are the module under the test, and it is the concept behind the stub. Now what is the driver? The terms both the stubs and drivers come into picture while doing the integration testing. So while working on the integration, sometimes we face a situation where some of the functionalities are still under the development. Now what it means that, see, again I am repeating that. Now suppose we are having that modules, okay, the module A and B, and we just finished with the working on the module A, but still we are working on the module B, and till that time we get a requirement to test the module A. Then what it means that some of the functionalities are still under the development of a module B, and where we are facing the situation that we need to test the module A, but still the module B development process is not completed yet. So what we are going to say that both the modules are dependent on each other, and we need to test the module A. Okay, so where the sum of the functionalities of the module B are still remain for the development purpose, but still we need to test the module A. So at that time what we are going to create? We are going to create the dummy module of the second module, and that is called as the stub. So the functionalities which are under the development will be get replaced with some dummy programs. These dummy programs are then named as a stubs or drivers. See now let it be clear that. Okay, so whatever the functionalities which are under the development, and that will be get replaced by a dummy programs. Why? Because still we are incomplete the development process of that particular module or that particular program, but still we need to test the module which is dependent on that. So at that time what we are going to create? We are going to create the dummy programs, and that dummy programs are named as a stubs or drivers. What they are going to name as? They are going to name it as a stubs or drivers. Now imagine we have two pages, login page and the admin page. Now you have to test the login page. Okay, what we are having? We are having the, for example, consider that we are having the two pages. What are the two pages? The admin page and the login page. Now suppose if you have to test the login page, now assume that the admin page is under development, still it is not developed, but the login page which is developed. So the login page will call the admin page after login, but the admin page is not yet ready now. See, module A and the module B, which the example which we have seen in the previous session. So what we are, for that purpose we are taking the real life example. Suppose an application which we have developed, within that application we are having two models. Okay, a model A, for it is we are calling as a login page, and the model 2 it is called as a admin page. Now we need to test the login page. Now what the login page is having, the login page is going to have and the username and the password. So when an user is going to enter the appropriate username and password, then we can say that it is going to be successfully login to the admin page. So the login page will call the admin page after the login, but the admin page is not yet ready, which means that admin page is under the development process. So to overcome this situation, a developer is going to write a dummy program which acts as an admin page. It is not actually the admin page, but what it acts as? It acts as a dummy admin page or the dummy program. So this program is a acknowledgement stubs, and stubs are called the program, aka. Okay, so that is the acknowledgement stub. Okay, this dummy program is the acknowledgement is the stub. Okay, why? Because they are going to get an acknowledgement that what this is the dummy page. Which page? Admin page is the dummy page, and still it is in the under development process, but still this will be get considered to test our login page, whether we are going to in a right way or not. See, what is the our requirement when an user is going to enter the appropriate username and password, then it will be going to get moved to the admin page. So when it is going to be moved to the admin page, what we are going to say, that we are going to get an acknowledgement that you have logged in successfully. After that they are going to see the admin page, but the still admin page is under the development process. So then to overcome from such a situation, and developer is going to write the program which is considered as a dummy program, which will be get act for our admin page, and that dummy program is going to get considered is a acknowledgement of a stub, and the stub are called as a program. If a called program is incomplete, okay, stubs are called programs. Okay, and if the called program is incomplete, now it replaces with the stub, and this is happen in the top down approach, which means that stub is the dummy module of my module of the B, second module, that is nothing but the admin page. So this login page is dependent on the admin page. So if that login page is dependent on the admin page, we can say that it is replaced with the stub. Now that stub is nothing but the dummy module of my admin page, So coming to the drivers. Now in our example, if the login page is ready, okay, coming to the drivers. Now consider that the login page is ready, but not the admin page. Now this is the time to assume that now our admin page is ready, but admin page is ready to test, but our login page is not yet ready. Okay, see what we have ready in the we are ready with our admin page, but still our login page is not ready. Now when that admin page is going to be open, when an user is going to be successfully login, then and then only the admin page is going to be open, but still we are not ready with our admin page. So to overcome from this situation, a developer is going to write the dummy program which acts like a login page. What? The developer is going to write the dummy program and which acts like a login page. So this dummy program is an acknowledgement driver. Acknowledgement driver means what? The page which is not ready. Now which page is not ready? Our login page is not ready. So instead of actually working of that login page, the dummy login page will be going to be work on. So drivers are the calling programs and the stubs are the called programs, we can say that. Okay, Why? Because they are working in a opposite manner, bottom up. Drivers are the calling programs which are still in a working process. So if the calling programs are incomplete, then it is replaced with the drivers, and this is happens only in a bottom up approach. Where it is happens, this is happens only in a bottom up approach. So both are the concepts which are working opposite of each other. So to better understanding the concepts of the drivers and stuff, we consider this example again. Okay, which example we are having? We are having and one application. Within that application we are having the two modules. First module is called as a login page module, a second module is called as a admin page module. Now both the modules are dependent on each other. So now consider the first situation where the stubs are coming. Okay, now see, consider the situation where we are completing with the development of the login page. Okay, but still our admin page working process is in a progress, which means that we are not still ready with the development of the admin page. Now in that time, if there is a requirement to test a login page, so to test and login page, what is required? What is required? If the login is successfully, we need to move to the admin page, but still our admin page is not ready. So at that time we can say that to overcome from this situation, a developer is going to write a dummy program which is acts as an admin page. Now this dummy program is called as a acknowledgement stub, and stubs are called as a called programs. Why? Because they are considered in a top down approach. So if the called program is incomplete, then it is replaced with the stub. Why? Because it is a top down approach. Now when we are coming vice versa for the drivers, okay, where we can assume that our admin page is ready but the login page is not yet ready. So to overcome from this type of situation, a developer is going to write the dummy program which is acts like our login page. Now this dummy program is a acknowledgement driver. Now the drivers are the calling program. So if the calling program is incomplete, it is replaced with the driver, and this approach comes in our bottom up integration. Now I think that your concept with regarding of the top down integration and in the bottom up integration are clear. Why? Because in the top down integration we can say that the stubs are required for the temporary purpose, and in the bottom integration we can say that the drivers are required in the temporary purpose. So both the concepts are working opposite of each other, and both this point are very much important as per your exam point of view. When this type of questions will be get asked for 5 marks, then you can explain this concept by drawing the diagram, by taking these examples and try to explain it in your own words. Okay, so this is the basic concept which we have considered for the stubs and drivers. So in the next session, still we are remain with the one point of the one of the type of our what integration testing, that is nothing but the bidirectional integration testing. We remain with this. Still it is incomplete, so definitely in the next session we are going to learn first for the bidirectional integration testing, and next again we are going to learn for the differentiation in between the stubs and drivers in a table manner, so that you are going to get clear idea about the stubs and drivers. Why? Because till this point, whatever we have discussed for the stubs and drivers, it is in a theoretical manner, in a, we can say it is in a paragraph manner. So if you want to see if you want to consider it in a table manner, we are going to focus it in the next level. So up to this point it is over, up to the top down integration, bottom up integration, and the concept related with our stubs and drivers. So till this it's okay up to this session, and thank you.